Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to act now. Unlock your phone, ensure battery and signal and open settings. On iPhone, go to Cellular then Personal Hotspot. On Android, open Network and Internet or Connections, then Hotspot and Tethering. Once done, tap into the Personal or Mobile Hotspot pane to view current name fields. Make sure to do this while connected to your primary carrier so the hotspot options appear. This immediate start saves time and reveals the exact screen where the hotspot name is displayed and editable. Once you're in the hotspot settings, look for SSID, network name, or device name. That string is the name other devices see. On many devices, the hotspot defaults to the phone's device name, which explains why changing the device name updates the hotspot. You can edit the SSID directly on Android or change the device name on iPhone to alter the hotspot label. After editing, save changes. Then use another phone or laptop to scan Wi-Fi networks and confirm the updated name appears. Finish by securing the hotspot. Choose WPA2 or WPA3, set a strong password, and enable any idle timeout to save data and battery. Then test. Connect a laptop or another phone, confirm visibility and that the network name matches your edited SSID. If the name doesn't show, toggle the hotspot off and on, restart your device, and double-check any carrier tethering settings or APN restrictions. If issues persist, try changing the device name again. This often forces the system to refresh the broadcasted hotspot name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.